Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this particular video we will understand another type of risk, which is systematic risk. What is systematic risk? We will understand this in brief. But before moving towards the main, if you didn't subscribe to our channel Knowledge Topper yet, please subscribe to our channel Knowledge Topper as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So let's get into this video. As written on your screen, you can say that systematic risk, basically it occurs due to macroeconomic factors. It is also called market risk or non-diversifiable, or you can say volatility risk as well, as it is beyond the control of a specific company or an individual. It is not in the hands of an individual or a company to manage such type of risk, like systematic risk, and hence you can say that it can't be diversified. Okay, all investments and securities suffer from such type of risk, and though even a company or an investor or an individual can't eliminate such a risk by holding more number of shares. So basically it is that kind of a risk which is not in the control or not in the hands of a specific company or an individual. When we talk about further related to this, this risk is you can say that this risk impacts the entire industry rather than a single company or a single security, because it is more dependent on macroeconomic factors. For example, if you talk about macroeconomic factors, it could be hike in inflations, it could be interest rate change that affects the entire market. So one can only avoid this systematic risk by not investing in any risky assets. Like, there's no other way. If you talk about more examples of macroeconomic factors which affect systematic risk, which affects the entire market, there is maybe there is changes in laws of the country, or there might be some, as I already told you, interest rate hikes, and there might be some natural disasters as well. There might be such a situation like COVID-19. There might be some political instability as well as some foreign policy changes, or there might be high fluctuations in currency value changes, and failure of banks is also there as well, and economic recessions as well. So these all are the macroeconomic factors that may affect the entire market. So this is the video for all of you guys. Hope you understand about systematic risk in brief. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel Knowledge Shopper as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material related to these topics as well as from other courses as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.